Welcome to Learn English Smartly.
I laugh a little. I laugh a little. I rub my hands. I rub my hands. I cross my arms. I cross my arms. I look up. I look up. I look down. I look down. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. I wave goodbye. I wave goodbye. I run a little. I run a little. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. I sit down. I sit down. I stand up. I stand up. I touch my face. I touch my face.
All right, everyone. It's time for today's English challenge. Let's see how good your English really is. Can you answer both questions correctly before the timer runs out? Don't rush. Take your time. Think carefully. And remember, comment your answer before the reveal. Ready? Let's begin.
Wow! Wow!
All right. So, everyone who got the right answers, I have just one thing to say. Excellent!
Wow!
And if your answer was wrong, don't worry at all. It just means you should watch my previous videos and this entire video very carefully. You've got this! So, let's move on to the next part.
I clap my hands. I clap my hands.
I bend down. I bend down.
I turn around. I turn around. I jump up. I jump up.
I close my eyes. I close my eyes.
I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I blink my eyes. I blink my eyes. I smile softly. I smile softly. I shake my head. I shake my head. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I breathe in. I breathe in. I breathe out. I breathe out. I clap.
Guys, wait. Don't go anywhere just yet. As you know, we do a challenge at the end of every video, and I want to hear from you. If any challenge is in your mind, write it in the comments section. I will consider your idea for the next video. So here is your challenge. Guys, So, how did you find this video? If you have any questions, any confusion at all, drop them in the comments below. I will personally answer every single one in a professional way. That's my promise to you.